Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the screen, guys, please let me know. My video isn't working right now. I'll make sure that from tomorrow onwards, the video is also working absolutely fine. But for right now, are you guys able to listen to me properly, guys? Is there any issues with my audio? Please let me know. Hello, everyone. Hello. Good evening. Good evening. Are you guys able to listen to me properly, guys? Please let me know. There's no issues with my audio, right, guys? No issues, all good, everything is fine. Great, guys. Awesome. Okay, so welcome to this particular bootcamp via DevTown itself, guys. I crystal clear, but not see you. Yeah, so the camera is actually not working. So I will look into it. If it starts working, it's great. If it doesn't start working, I don't look that pretty as well that you guys need to see me, right? So it's fine. Just focus upon the video itself, guys. Focus upon the audio. That should be more than sufficient for you guys to understand today's topic. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. Will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. Great, amazing, guys, amazing. So, So in this particular bootcamp, guys, our main focus will be into understanding how does web animation basically work using JavaScript itself. That will be our main topic of discussion for this particular bootcamp, guys. Okay, so how many of you guys have seen the Apple's website? Please let me know. Have you guys used the Apple's website, guys? Please let me know. So if I open up apple.com, so apple.in itself right over here, and I go on to, let's assume I want to see the latest Apple Watch. I will go with the Apple Watch Ultra right over there. So when I go over the website, you guys are able to see that these animations are popping up right over here, right? The lighting is changing on the watch right over here. Text is coming up. The screen is getting placed right over there. More text is coming out right over here. The watch is flipping itself over. More animations that are coming up continuously on our screen, right, guys? So all these animations basically take place due to the presence of CSS and JavaScript, guys. Now, many of you guys will be asking, sir, what is CSS and JavaScript? Do not worry, I will be discussing all these things with you guys. Okay, I will be explaining you guys everything as well. Okay, so right over here, let me just open up your live chat as well as the paint section as well. And we'll keep it here. Okay, guys, so try to understand this. Any website in the entire world, guys, any website in the entire world that you're using at any particular point of time, it is made up of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Any website in the entire world that you're using at any particular point of time is created using these three technologies itself. Okay, nothing less, nothing more than that. Now we need to understand what is the utilization of these three technologies first to move further. So why is HTML used? Why is CSS used? Why is JavaScript used? What is the reason that these technologies exist? What is the core dependency upon these technologies as well? So for that, let me open up a PPT for you guys so that I'm able to explain it to you guys very easily. So this is the PPT, I guess, that I will be using to explain the topic to you guys itself. Let me just go back. So right over here, guys, as you're able to see, this is one of the very first websites that were made in the entire world, guys. The very first website on the internet, the World Wide Web, guys. This entire website that has been made right over here is made using just HTML and nothing else. Just HTML and nothing else, guys. No CSS, no JavaScript. As you're able to see, it just consists of a lot of text and a lot of links itself. If you click on this particular link, it will take you to a new page that will have some information on hypermedia. Now, have you guys used Wikipedia at any particular point of time? Please let me know. Have you guys used Wikipedia at any particular point of time, guys? Please let me know. Wikipedia. Have you guys used Wikipedia up till this point of time? Yes. So this looks very similar to Wikipedia, right? There's a lot of text. There's a lot of links right over here. You click on that link, it will take you to a new page itself, right? So HTML basically provides just a structure. It provides just a structure to your website itself. That's it. Okay. It provides just a structure to your website. For example, the bones that are present inside of your body, right? It provides a structure to your website itself. That's it. Nothing less, nothing more than that. Are you guys able to understand this? The bones that are present inside of your body itself, that basically provides you with a structure to your body, right? That is the same thing that is happening right over here. HTML is like the skeleton of your website itself. It just provides it with a basic structure. Now, guys, I saw one of the comments. I would like to clarify on this as well. So in this particular bootcamp, guys, you don't need to understand anything about web development. You don't need to know anything about HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I'll be teaching you guys everything from the utmost basics. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything, guys. I'll be teaching you guys everything from the utmost basics itself, guys. Okay, so do not worry about it, guys. Just focus upon the class. You will be able to understand everything right over here. Okay, so similar to that, let us go and watch another website itself. So this is one of the earliest websites of Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft, one of the biggest tech companies in the entire world. This was one of their earliest websites, guys. Okay, so in this particular website, as you're able to see, this website was completely made using HTML, nothing else but just HTML, guys. Does this website look good to you? Let me know. What is your thoughts? Does this website look amazing? Does this website does not look amazing? It's look like shit itself. What is your views when you see a website like this, guys? Please let me know. What is your views when you see a website like this? Please let me know, guys. Not amazing, right? It does not look good. It does not look like something that you would be using it on a daily basis. That was the problem with HTML. Although HTML was able to put a structure to your website, it was able to provide with a particular structure to the website and a particular content to the website, but it did not make the website look good. As a lot of different people started creating websites, guys, a lot of companies started creating websites, making sure that your website looks good and interesting also became a factor for influencing the users to choose your company, right? So if I'm having Netflix, I'm having two options for Netflix. One is original Netflix, one is a Netflix that does not look good. Both of them are charging the same particular money to me. Then I will go with Netflix itself that looks good at the end. So you need to make sure that your website also looks amazing. For that reason, we were introduced with something called as CSS. So the full form of HTML is Hyper Text Markup Language. That is the full form of HTML, guys. And we were introduced with CSS or cascading style sheets. Cascading style sheets. Basically, CSS was used to add a little bit of styling to your website, a little bit of beautification to your website itself. That was the aim with CSS, guys. For example, right over here, this is one of the earliest websites back in 1998, guys. This is Yahoo's website back in 1998 that has been made using both HTML and CSS, guys. As you're able to see, the structure of the website is good, the layout is good, there are images, there are colors, everything has been laid out properly itself. So the styling of the website is something that is the responsibility of CSS, guys. It makes your website look good. Now, the problem was that your websites look good, your websites had content on top of it as well, but still we need to take care of one more thing right over there. And that one more thing, my friends, is very simple. We need to make our websites interactive with the user. Let me show you a very good example so that you guys are also able to understand it very clearly. Give me a second, guys. I will be able to find it right over here. So our team created a very good example for you guys to understand itself. I'm just searching for that example. Give me a second or two. A lot of downloaded files are there, so finding it usually becomes very hard for me. As I'm able to see. Give me a second, guys. Yeah. So this is an example that I created to make sure that you guys are able to understand the use of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, guys. As you're able to see, HTML is just like the skeleton of your body. It provides a structure to your body itself. CSS is like the presentation or the appearance. That is the makeup that you use, the accessories that you wear, the tattoos that you have, the hairstyle that you are having, the facial features that you are having, the clothes that you wear itself. All that basically makes you look unique, makes you appear good itself. Then JavaScript, my friends, right over here is used to provide dynamism or action to your website, wherein your website is able to interact with the user and the user is able to interact with the website. For example, clicking on a button, the entire color of the page basically changes. Scrolling down below, the Apple Watch rotates itself or something happens right over there. So JavaScript provide a dynamism or an action to your website. Are you guys able to understand using this particular example, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand it right over here, guys? Please let me know. So that is the point of view about why JavaScript is so important. Now what we'll be doing is we will be looking at it right over here. Nikita Chauhan, you have been given an email where you have to email it. The process has already begun. People have started doing their internships as well. I think so. You have missed it out. Somewhere there is a problem of communication that has happened with you, Nikita. Message on to me directly on LinkedIn. I will personally handle it out. Okay. You don't have to worry about it. Nikita, you can send me a message directly on LinkedIn to me itself tonight. I will sit and handle it out myself. Okay. Okay, great. So right over here, guys, once we have solved this, the next particular problem statement that is there is what happens if we remove CSS and JavaScript from our website, guys. Okay, I think so I have not introduced myself to you guys. So my name is Shaurya and I will be your instructor for the next 7 days itself. So why am I the one who is teaching you? Basically, I am a software engineer. I started my career as a data analyst intern in the second year of my college. I did 2 months internship as a data analyst in Reliance Industries. In the third year of my college, I did a 6 months internship as a data scientist in Geo. For my very first job, I joined Google as an Explore ML lead. That is a machine learning lead at Google. I worked at Google for almost 1.5 years itself. Then I switched my careers into full stack web development. I did full stack for almost like 3 years up till now. I did freelancing. I worked in various different startups in front end, back end, DevOps, cloud. Along with that, I started this company DevTown as well. That is a talent recruiting agency itself. Okay, and we have placed more than 7,000 students in the past 2 years, and we have taken more than 500 boot camps up till this very point of time. So that is something that is a quick introduction about me because I forgot to do the introduction. Okay, guys, give me a second, guys. Give me a second, guys. I will come back in a minute or two. Okay, give me a second, guys. I'll come back in a minute or two, guys. Give me a second, guys. Okay, I'll come back in a minute or two, guys. Give me a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, so now we can continue from right over there, right? So right over here, guys, as you're able to see, let me just pop up your chat on my screen, and we'll take up this particular on the right hand side itself. Okay, where did my chat go? You try to take out the chat from right over here. Pop out chat, paste it on the left hand side, this on the right hand side. Okay, now it's perfect. So right over here, guys, what we'll be doing is that we are going to remove CSS on this particular website and then JavaScript on this particular website to see how the website looks without CSS and JavaScript, guys. Okay, so this is the website that we saw right now itself. That is the Apple's Ultra Watch website itself. We saw how the Apple Watch is flipping itself over. There's a like changes in the colors and everything that is happening right over there, right? So all these animations that are coming up, wherein the Apple Watch is just rotating itself, all these texts that are coming up. So our aim right now is to see what happens without the entire CSS and JavaScript, guys. So we are going to use a particular Chrome extension called as the Web Developer Chrome extension, guys. Okay, we are going to use a particular Chrome extension called as the Web Developer Chrome extension, guys. So this is the Chrome extension that is present right over here. I want you guys to install this particular Chrome extension if you want to see it as well. I've already done that. I've already installed the Chrome extension. So you want to do it, you don't want to do it, that is up to you. Once I've installed the Chrome extension, as you're able to see, you will be able to see the Chrome extension right over here. That is the Web Developer Chrome extension itself, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the Apple's Ultra Watch website, and I'm going to disable the JavaScript of the website, guys. I'm going to disable the JavaScript of the website, and I'm going to reload the website itself. So this is the Apple's website without any JavaScript. Once it reloads itself, you guys will be able to see it. It will reload the Apple's website without any JavaScript, guys. So give it a second or two. Let it just reload itself once. And guys, let me just clear one thing off for you guys. Those students who are asking about the attendance, they will not be getting the attendance as well. Because according to us, you guys are not focused upon the class. You're here just for the attendance. You're not here to learn. So you don't deserve the attendance as well. So if you're here to learn, you want to learn something new right over here, you want to grow right over here, in that particular case, you're most welcome. You can sit here, you can learn right over here, and whenever we want to take up the attendance, we will be taking it up at that point of time. So right over here, guys, as you're able to see, this is the Apple's Watch Ultra, and as you're able to see, the all the animations that were there is totally gone. There is no animation whatsoever on your screen right over here. Are you guys able to see this? All the animations that were there is totally gone, guys. There is no animation whatsoever on the screen right now. So the interactivity between the website as well as the human, that is the user itself, is totally gone. Without JavaScript, that won't work. It will be a very basic website with just image and text itself. That is why JavaScript is used in creating these animations, okay, to help us interact with our website very easily. Okay, so the next particular thing that will be there would be, guys, that we want to see what happens if we disable the CSS, guys. Okay, if we go back to our Web Developer Chrome extension, we'll enable our JavaScript, but we'll disable our CSS, guys. This is Apple's website without any CSS, guys. Okay, let me just redo it once again. So we'll disable all styles. As you're able to see, this is Apple's website without any CSS, guys. This is how you are able to see There is no CSS on this website. There's no like styling on the website itself. Just the text, the links, the images just exist right over there. There's no styling, nothing on the website. This is Apple's website without any CSS. That is the reason why CSS is also so important out there, guys. In this particular bootcamp, our major goal, our major concern will be with learning JavaScript itself, guys. Okay, that will be our major concern and our major aim to learn JavaScript in this particular bootcamp. So over the next 7 days, what we have done is that, let me just first enable the styles. So over the next 7 days, what we will be doing is that we will be having classes every single day at the same time itself. And during this particular time, we are going to learn your first, we'll be starting out with learning JavaScript. Even if you don't know JavaScript, you don't have to worry, guys. I will be teaching you guys JavaScript from the utmost basics. Today is just an introduction to the topic and introduction to the bootcamp itself so that you guys are familiar with what you're going to do in the next few days. So first we'll start off with JavaScript. We'll learn a little bit of JavaScript itself, guys. Then we'll go into creating animations using JavaScript. Okay. Then we'll go into creating animations using JavaScript, guys. Again, a very important concept, a very important tool that will be helping you guys a lot of times as well. And then at the end, we'll be creating a project wherein we will be taking up a website and putting up animations inside of the website itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know, guys. And do not worry, guys. I will be starting from the utmost basics. You don't have to worry. I will be starting from the utmost basics and I will be going to the most advanced levels as well. So no matter how much you know, no matter how less you know, you will be able to learn something or the other right over here. The second particular thing that is there is that in this particular bootcamp, it is completely free of cost. There is no cost associated with the bootcamp as well. Every single day, I will be taking up your attendance in the middle of the class. When will that attendance happen? How will that attendance happen? I will be letting you guys know after some time itself. But every single day, I will be taking up your attendance. Those students who will be having 100% attendance will be receiving certificates from our behalf as well. In this particular bootcamp, guys, you will be receiving a Microsoft certificate and a DevTown certificate with an opportunity to get a Google certificate as well as a Microsoft Amazon certificate. So there are 4 certificates that are there in this bootcamp, guys. 4 certificates. A DevTown certificate, okay? You are having a Microsoft certificate, a Google certificate, as well as a Amazon certificate. These will be the 4 certificates associated with this particular bootcamp, guys. But the point is that if you just have 100% attendance, you will be given the the Microsoft certificate and the DevTown certificate. Because let me show it to you guys right over here. Everybody will have the opportunity to get these 4 certificates: the DevTown certificate, the Microsoft certificate, the Google certificate, and the Amazon certificate, guys. These will be the 4 certificates associated with this bootcamp. If you guys are having 100% attendance, you will be getting these 2 certificates, guys. If you are having 100% attendance, guys, you are coming up every single day inside of the class on time, and you will be learning right over here properly itself, and you will be given a Microsoft certificate and a DevTown certificate. The other students that are there, okay, these two, like the same students and everyone else in the bootcamp, will also be given an opportunity to get the Google and Amazon certificate for free. Like I've already said, all these certificates are 100% free. We don't charge anything for that. But just by attending the bootcamp, you will be given the DevTown and the Microsoft certificate, as well as you will be given an opportunity to get the Google and Amazon certificate. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it, guys. Will that be fine? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. So, for Google and Amazon, there will be some help that we'll be requiring from your end. Okay, we'll be letting you guys know a little bit of help that you will have to do for us. And on behalf of that help itself, you will be given the Google and the Amazon certificate as well, guys. That is how this time we have changed a little bit of the pattern right over here to see if this works out or not for us, right? And I hope that over the next days that we are going to learn JavaScript, that we are going to build projects as well. This is something that will be of very help to you guys, and you guys will be able to put it up on your resume as well. So in the meanwhile, I will show you guys these certificates as well. I don't want to just say it orally. So what I usually do is students who get these certificates usually post it on LinkedIn. So I've just opened up my LinkedIn profile itself. I'm just going over the notification. Somebody usually posts up all the certificates on LinkedIn. So I don't have to like go through somewhere else itself. Okay, so this is a particular student who had completed our cloud computing bootcamp with AWS, guys. So right over here, this is the DevTown certificate that he received. Then you are having your next particular certificate, that this is the Google Developer Students Club certificate that he received, that is via Google itself. Okay, then this is the certificate that he received via Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador Program, that is Microsoft. And then you are having your certificates of Amazon. So for Amazon, I think so students get these certificates individually itself. So I think so this person hasn't posted it up right over there. Let me see if somebody has posted up one of the Amazon certificates as well. Usually students post up the certificates very soon itself. Okay, the Tinder clone as well, people have started working on it. That's great. So we do a lot of clones right over here in the bootcamp. The Facebook clone, the Tinder clone, Amazon clone, Disney plus Hotstar clone itself. Okay, so this student has shared the Amazon certificate as well. So this is the AWS Amazon certificate that will be sent to you guys right over there. These are the few certificates that you will be receiving at the end of this bootcamp itself, guys. So let's see how it goes on. Okay. Meanwhile, guys, if you guys want to connect with me, I am providing you guys with my LinkedIn ID as well. You guys can definitely connect with me on LinkedIn. It will be great to connect with you guys, talk to you guys, and learn something about you guys as well. Okay. So usually, I try to answer almost every single question. Yani, just approach me on LinkedIn itself. I'll help you out right over there. Okay. How to post the certificates in LinkedIn. So to post a particular certificate or something like that, you directly go here, start a post. You guys can put up the photo or video or something like that, whatever you want to post, and directly create a post right over there as well. So I've already provided you guys with the LinkedIn ID as well. Do connect with me, guys. It will be great to talk to you guys, figure out what you guys are doing, and help you guys in any way possible. Okay, I'm always there for you guys. I always try to make sure that I'm able to post something on LinkedIn that is helping you guys a little bit as well, as you're able to see right over here. Daily, I try to post something on a daily basis. So I have not posted something for the past 2 days. I have to post something right now. For example, here I provided like handwritten notes of data structures, algorithms, and interview preparation itself. I provide like basic knowledge upon what is CDN, so that even a beginner, even a person who has no idea what is cloud computing, can understand what is CDN as well. I provide some kind of help to you guys every single day. I try my best so that you guys are able to get something and you guys are able to improve upon something as well. So do connect with me on LinkedIn, guys. Right now, I'm going to tell you guys how to fill up your attendance. Okay, right now I'm going to tell you guys how to fill up your attendance itself, guys. Please make sure to from tomorrow onwards you're coming on time itself. Okay, because see, if you're not coming on time to the class, I can take up the attendance in the first 5 minutes as well. In the first 5 minutes of the class, I will take up the attendance. You'll miss out the attendance. You'll miss out the certificates as well. It is as simple as that. Come to the class on time, learn right over here, get the certificate. That is the most that you have to do. And I expect that you guys will be able to do it as well. Okay. So let me just create first of all your attendance. Okay. It will take me a minute or two to do that. So just wait till that point of time. In the meanwhile, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Laptop or desktop are important in these 7 days. So one of the promises that I'm making to you guys is that during this particular boot camp, nobody requires a laptop. If you don't even have a laptop, you have just a mobile phone as well. You will be able to code everything. You will be able to learn everything. You will be able to build the project and put it up on your resume. That is my promise to you guys. Okay. That is my promise to you guys. You don't need a laptop. Even if you are having a mobile phone as well, you will be able to code everything. You will be able to learn everything. You don't have to worry about it. That is my promise, guys. Okay. The timings will be the same just as today. Whatever the timings were for today's class, the same timings will be there from tomorrow as well. Please make sure any prerequisite is required, just that you should be able to understand my English. That's it. The only prerequisite is that you should be able to understand my English, guys. That's it. Nothing less, nothing more than that, guys. I hope so. That is not a very big prerequisite. I hope so. That is not a big prerequisite, guys. Please let me know. Okay, and do let me know, guys, one more thing. How many? So I'm going to take up a poll right now. First, I'm going to create a poll. Is this your very first boot camp via DevTown? Yes, this is my first. No, I have attended before as well. Let us take up this particular poll. I wanted to ask this to our community itself, guys. In the meanwhile, while I'm creating your attendance, guys, please try to answer this particular poll that I've created for you guys. The live chat, you should be able to see a poll, I guess. I hope so. You guys should be able to see a poll right over there. Are you guys able to see the poll, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see the poll? Please do answer that while I'm creating your attendance, guys. Please do answer the poll while I'm creating the attendance, guys. I want everybody to answer the poll itself, guys. 507 votes I've already poured in. I think so. Just 100 more votes are still remaining. Just make sure that you are able to vote right over there so that I'm also able to understand how many new and how many old people are there. Okay, great. 46% new people are there. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. So I'll end the poll right over here itself. Okay, now I'm going to create your attendance, guys. I'm in the process of creating your attendance. In the process of creating your attendance, guys, give me a second. It is taking some time. In the meanwhile, guys, you guys can send me a request on LinkedIn as guys with the LinkedIn as well, guys. Okay, so listen to me very carefully, guys. Listen to me very carefully, right? Guys, with the attendance, you will have 5 minutes to fill up your attendance. If the attendance is not working for you, if the attendance is showing an error message like traffic error or something like that, you just have to refresh the attendance. You just have to refresh the attendance itself, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. If the attendance is not working for you, you just have to refresh, reload the attendance itself, guys. Okay. If you have not registered for the bootcamp, do not worry. You will still be able to get the certificates. Okay. You don't have to worry about it. The attendance will be closed in the next 5 minutes, guys. I'm providing you guys with the attendance right over here in the live chat. The attendance link will be closed exactly at 7:41, guys. The attendance link will be closed exactly at 7:41. You are having 5 minutes to fill out your attendance, guys. Having 5 minutes to fill out your attendance. The attendance link will be closed exactly in 5 minutes, guys, at exactly 7:41. The attendance link will be closed. Please start filling up your attendance right now. If you're facing any kind of traffic error or something like that, just refresh, reload the attendance. That's it. Just refresh, reload the attendance. That's it, guys. I provided you guys with the attendance link. I provided you guys with the attendance link in the live chat, as you are able to see. People have started filling up their attendance, as you are able to see right over here as well. So attendance is working absolutely fine. There is no issues whatsoever. Okay, the attendance link is working absolutely fine. There's no issues whatsoever, guys. From tomorrow onwards as well, I'll be taking up the attendance in the exact same way in the first 5 minutes of the class. If you're missing out on the attendance even on one day, you will not be able to get your certificates. Please make sure that you're coming on time to our classes, guys. Please make sure that you're coming on time to our classes, guys. Okay, so we'll meet in tomorrow's class on the same time and we'll continue from right over there. It was great to meet you guys. I've already pinned up my LinkedIn ID right over there in the live chat as well. Satyam Singh, if the link is not working, just refresh it. It is working for 200 people. It will work for you as well, Satyam Singh. Just refresh the link, guys. It will work for you. Okay, just refresh the link. It will work for you. Okay, so we'll meet in tomorrow's class and we'll continue from right over there, guys. If the link is not working for you, just refresh the link. The attendance link is there in the live chat, guys. As you are able to see, the rest of the 300 people have already filled up their attendance. If it is working for them, it is working for you as well. If you're getting a traffic error, just refresh the link. It is as simple as that. Just refresh the link. It is as simple as that. The attendance link is in the live chat, as you are able to see right over here. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. And we'll continue from right over there. Have a great day ahead. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye, guys.